Welcome to Libas Al Arab, your educational guide to Arabic fashion for curvy and plus-size women. In today's video, we'll explore how Arabic dresses combine elegance, confidence, and tradition. From beautiful abayas and kaftans to luxurious party gowns, you'll discover how these timeless designs celebrate every curve with grace. Let's begin our journey into the world of Arabic elegance. Arabic fashion has always embraced femininity through flowing fabrics, intricate embroidery, and graceful silhouettes. Unlike many Western styles that focus on slim fits, Arabic dresses are designed to enhance natural curves rather than hide them. Each design tells a story of culture, craftsmanship, and confidence. The beauty lies in how comfort and glamour blend perfectly, allowing every woman to feel royal in her own skin. Let's look at the most popular Arabic dress styles for curvy and plus-size women. The abaya, a symbol of modesty and class. It flows effortlessly, flattering the body without revealing too much. The kaftan, elegant and versatile, often made from silk or chiffon, perfect for festive occasions. The jalabiya, colorful, embroidered, and full of cultural pride. And of course, Arabic evening gowns, modern yet inspired by tradition, ideal for special events or celebrations. Each of these styles can be tailored to fit curves beautifully. When it comes to dressing for curves, fabric is everything. Arabic designers often choose materials like chiffon, crepe, silk, and velvet. These fabrics drape gently, creating soft movement without clinging. Lighter fabrics such as chiffon or satin are perfect for warm gatherings, while heavier materials like velvet or brocade bring luxury and presence to evening wear. The right fabric doesn't just look good, it makes you feel confident and comfortable. A well-chosen silhouette can transform your entire look. A-line cuts, empire waists, and wrap styles highlight curves in all the right places. Arabic designers use flowing layers and vertical patterns to elongate the figure and create graceful motion. Adding subtle details like a defined waist belt or embroidered neckline balances the proportions and gives an hourglass appearance. Fashion should empower, not pressure, and Arabic dressmaking understands that beautifully. Every Arabic dress is a piece of art. Intricate embroidery, sequins, pearls, and beads are placed strategically to enhance beauty and express individuality. Colors play a powerful role. Deep emeralds, royal blues, and soft golds highlight elegance and confidence. For curvy women, darker shades can sculpt the body, while bold hues bring life and energy to the outfit. Remember, fashion is not about size, it's about expression. Here are a few educational styling tips to perfect your Arabic look. Choose long vertical embroidery or panel designs to elongate your body. Add a thin belt at the narrowest part of your waist to define shape without restriction. If you wear a hijab, coordinate its tone with your dress to create harmony rather than contrast. Finish the look with elegant accessories, minimal jewelry, soft makeup, and a confident smile. That's the true secret of Arabic elegance. A perfect fit begins with the right tailor. Don't hesitate to make small alterations. A few stitches at the waist or sleeve can change the whole silhouette. When shopping, always check the fabric texture, stitching quality, and comfort. Choose stores or designers who understand curvy body types and Arabic fashion aesthetics. Smart shopping creates timeless confidence. True Arabic elegance is not only about the dress, it's about the confidence within. When curvy women wear traditional styles with pride, they honor centuries of culture and craftsmanship. Arabic dresses are more than clothing, they are an expression of grace, culture, and empowerment. From abayas to party gowns, every design tells a story of confidence and beauty for curvy women everywhere. If you enjoyed this educational video, please like, share, and subscribe to Libas Al Arab for more Arabic fashion insights. Comment below and tell us, which dress style reflects your personality the most? Until next time, stay elegant, stay confident, and celebrate your curves.